Alright everybody, for those of you who have bought the Blippi toy, this thing,
This is gonna be so much fun.
you might have noticed there might be a slight defect in it. Maybe not a defect, but the neck. There's the neck. And for a $40 toy, it shouldn't be happening, but it is. So we're going to show you how to fix it today. Come on in. Alrighty. Tools you will need to perform this surgery on his neck. The neck.
What?
I'm going to show you how to do it. You got to be willing to go in and pretty much desecrate the poor toy. First, you're going to find this talking box
Thanks for being my friend.
wrapped inside of this, like that. So you're going to have to take this and get a pair of scissors and clip off the talking toy.
Yeah.
Where you can put it back. And then he's going to be even a little less stuffing inside of him. Okay. So when you open it up, what I'm going to show you is what we've already done to it. I already cut the tag off, as you can see, because that tag was about 3 feet long on him. But you open them up, you pull some stuffing out, or you can put it all back in. You might even want to add some stuffing too later, but because that would give them more support. But you're going to see what we've done. What we've used are these insert nuts here. And you can see that these are size 1/4 inch 20 by 20 insert nuts. Okay. And for those nuts you'll need a 11/32 drill bit. And that is going to give you this. What we're dealing with is his neck. His head is just a hard piece of plastic, really. So you get his neck, you push his head through here. Make sure you have something soft here or it'll get scratched up here. So push it down and you'll see what we've done already. We've taken one of these insert nuts and put it in the bottom of his neck. First we had to take the drill. Okay, so just pretend that this isn't here right now. You drill a hole with this into the neck, and you take an insert bit, and actually you're also going to have to get a screw right here for the side of his neck, and then you can use the Phillips or bolt, whatever you want to use, because what this screw is going to do is it's going to stop this insert nut from going too far in, because if you don't put this here, the insert nut will go all the way up into his head and just be kind of bobbling around there. So you want to take a screw and put it through the side of his neck to hold the insert nut from going too far. We purchased these rods. You can get smaller ones or bigger ones. And what I ended up doing was cutting it. Remember, the rod is going to be to fit into these 1/4 inch insert nuts, so you're going to be getting a 1/4 inch rod. See that? Okay. Now, you take his head, you push it out. Just going to give you a quick preview of what you can do and then what it will be like when it's finished. So we use it to be immobile and sometimes moving around Blippi toy. So you screw that in there. And this is pretty cool. You'll like this, I think. Let's stuff that up in there, but just for that part right here. Let me tighten that up. There. Now his head is in there, and it's pretty solid. Turn it around. He goes 360 with his head too. But now you can move his head with this toy if you ever. Now some of you be like, I don't want that big rod sticking out of him. So you get a smaller rod. What I did is I cut this one, and I probably even want to cut it smaller than I have. You take this rod and you put it up in there. And then you take the stuffing and you stuff them back. Now if you cut this rod smaller, it won't be sticking out, but I need it to be sticking out for what we do with our Jonathan's Playhouse channel. And this right here can go right back up in there. You'll notice it'll be a lot tighter too. that fit. So just pretend that we cut it a little shorter, but here would be the final effect for that toy. And there you go.
Sturdy head.
Sturdy head. He's pretty good. And if you want to move him around, hey, look over there. Hey, look over there. So it's kind of a pretty cool. And your kids will be happy that, you know, he just isn't a bobblehead anymore. And that's it for the BLIPPI My Buddy talking toy. Like and subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.